welcome. This is Sharon from SJay's Cook and Bake, and today I will be making a simple, elegant, mouth-watering Pan Seared salmon with lemon brown butter sauce. For all the husbands, wife, girlfriend, and the other half, after watching this video, preparing this meal for your other half, it will be the most talked about meal you would have ever done. It's a meal you will never forget. It is juicy, tender, flaky, and it's rich in protein. This Pan Seared salmon with lemon butter sauce takes about 10 minutes to prepare, so stay with me while I take you through this mouth-watering recipe. You are gonna love every bite. In preparing this meal, we're gonna use half teaspoon of salt to season on both sides. And half teaspoon of black pepper to season on both sides as well. Grate 1 lemon peel to get a teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. We're also going to squeeze 1 lemon to make the lemon sauce. So here we go. This is a big lemon, so I use 1 lemon, and I might use a half more if I need it. We are ready to start the brown butter. So in a pot, we're gonna add 4 spoons of butter. We're gonna place this over medium heat. Stir until the butter starts to get brown. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. When the butter starts to get brown, see, you can see it's brown, you're gonna place the salmon in the pot to fry. When the salmon is cooked on the first side for about 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to turn it on the other side. We're going to leave this to cook for another 2 minutes on this side. After 2 minutes of cooking on both sides, you're going to sprinkle your lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 4 tablespoons of lemon sauce. You're going to use a spoon to add the brown lemon sauce over your salmon. As soon as this is cooked, transfer the salmon to a plate where you will take this juicy, brown, delicious sauce and throw it over the salmon. You will now decorate this with your lemon, and sweet pepper, and your little thyme on the side to garnish it, to give it that decorative finish. There you have it. That's my decoration to finish off my pan seared salmon in lemon butter sauce. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Well, I briefly touched down in the West Indies.